Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both Joycons and your Android for a direct Bluetooth connection. First, charge each controller to avoid drops during setup. Low battery can break pairing. Next, enable Bluetooth and grant location permission if Android requests it so scanning works reliably. Then, put each Joycon into pairing mode. Detach from a switch and press the small sync button until LEDs flash. Once done, leave them flashing while you move to your Android's Bluetooth scan. Now pair them one after the other so Android recognizes each as a separate gamepad. First, scan and select the entry labeled Joycon L, confirm pairing and test basic inputs in a controller tester app or game. After the left connects, repeat the process for Joycon R. Make sure you don't try to pair both at the exact same second. Android can drop one. If prompted for input type or mapping, choose gamepad or joystick so button layouts register correctly. Finish by verifying both Joycons work simultaneously in a controller test or the game you intend to play, and calibrate if the app supports it. If buttons appear swapped or one controller lags, unpair and reconnect that Joycon. Sometimes toggling Android Bluetooth or rebooting the phone resolves HID conflicts. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset a Joycon by holding the sync button for about 15 seconds and then re-enter pairing mode. This clears sticky states and often fixes persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.